Hi, it's Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the weekly tech review. This week we'll be looking at Bitcoin and last week's trailblazer Cardano's ADA, which broke out by more than 13%. We'll be looking at the MACDs, the moving averages and the weekly support resistance pivot levels. This is the tech analysis for the week ending the 4th of October.
Starting off with Bitcoin against the US dollar, it's a bullish start to the week for Bitcoin, taking a run at resistance at 11,000 through the early part of the day on Monday morning, hitting a morning high 10,986. Going to see support from the broader market, however, for Bitcoin to break out from Monday morning's high and through to 11,000 levels to bring the first major resistance level, sitting at 11,151 into play. Barring an extended crypto rally through the week, that first major resistance level and resistance at 11,200 should cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, we've got the second major resistance level at 11,500, which is another key resistance level for Bitcoin that should pin Bitcoin back in the week. A fall through the pivot level would bring the first major support level sitting at 10,303 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the week, Bitcoin should steer well clear of sub 10,000 levels. Second major support level sits at 9,804. That's below the first key major support level on the trend analysis at 9,882. That should limit any downside in the event of a crypto meltdown. Looking at the MACD, we saw an almost bearish cross, but avoided that, supporting the rebound through late yesterday and the early momentum through the start of the week. On the EMAs, nothing particularly conclusive, however, a slight widening of the gap between the 50, the 100 and the 200, supportive of this early move northwards. So key through the early part of the week would be to avoid a pullback through sub 10,700 to that pivot level at 10,652. Breakout from Monday morning's high through to 11,000 levels should support upside for the week. Moving across to Cardano's ADA against the US dollar, it's bullish start to the week also. Going to need to see Cardano's ADA avoid a fall through the pivot at 0.0933 to support a run at the first major resistance level sitting at 0.11132. Going to need to see extended crypto rally in the week to support a breakout from Monday morning's high, that was at 10,596. So barring an extended rally through the week, that major resistance level should cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, we've got the 23.6% fib sitting at 0.1125 and resistance at 0.12s to cap any upside. A fall through the pivot level would bring the first major support level sitting at 0.08323 into play. Barring an extended crypto sell-off through the week, however, Cardano's ADA should avoid sub 0.09 levels. Looking at the MACD following last week's midweek bullish cross, supportive of further upside through the early part of the week with the bullish histograms widening this morning. Looking at the EMA, the 50 has narrowed on the 100 but has so far avoided a bearish cross through the 100 and looks to have steadied against the 200, suggestive of a possible move northwards. So key through the early part of the week, avoid sub 0.1s and that pivot level at 0.0933 to then support a breakout from Monday morning's high 0.05996 through to 0.11 levels to then target that first major resistance level and the 23.6% fib.